Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss MCQs on cell division or also known as cell cycle. And I hope that you all have subscribed my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification for all our upcoming videos. So let's start the topic. So our first question is, DNA synthesis takes place in which phase of cell cycle? S phase, G1 phase, G2 phase or M phase? So as we all know, the DNA synthesis takes place during S phase, which is also known as synthetic phase. So our correct option would be option number A. Next question. In meiosis, crossing over is initiated at zygotine, diplotin, pectine or lactotine. And our correct option is option number C, which is pectine. Next question. The enzyme recombinase is required at which stage of meiosis? Pectine, zygotine, diplotin or dikinesis? And our correct option is option number A, which is pectine. Next question. The complex formed by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosomes is called bivalent, exoneme, equatorial plate or kinetochore. So our correct option is option number A, bivalent. Next question. At metaphase, chromosomes are attached to the spindle fibers by their satellite, secondary constructions, kinetochore or centromeres. And our correct option is option number C, which is kinetochores. Next question. Synapsis occurs between two non-homologous chromosomes, spindle fibers and centromere, two homologous chromosomes, or a homologous and a non-homologous chromosomes. So our correct option would be option number C, which is synapsis always occurs between two homologous chromosomes. Next question. Microtubule is involved in the muscle contraction, membrane architecture, cell division or DNA recognition. So our correct option is option number C, which is cell division. Next question. Mitotic spindle is mainly composed of which protein? Actin, myosin, actomyosin or tubulin? So our correct option is option number D, which is tubulin. Next question. Meiosis II performs separation of sex chromosomes, synthesis of DNA and centromere, separation of homologous chromosomes or separation of chromatids. So as we all know that during meiosis I, separation of homologous chromosomes takes place, and during meiosis II, separation of chromatids takes place. So our correct option would be option number D, separation of chromatids. Next question. Number of chromatids at metaphase is 2 each in mitosis and meiosis, 2 in mitosis and 1 in meiosis, 2 in mitosis and 4 in meiosis, 1 in mitosis and 2 in meiosis. So I think it basically depends upon that about which metaphase they are asking in case of meiosis. If they are asking about metaphase 1, then there will be 2 in mitosis and 4 in meiosis. And if they are asking about metaphase 2 in meiosis, so the correct option will be 2 each in mitosis and meiosis. So we are considering here metaphase 2 of meiosis. So our correct option would be option number A. Next question. Which of the following represents the best stage to view the shape, size and number of chromosomes? Prophase, metaphase, interphase or telophase? So the correct option is option number B, which is metaphase. Next question. Match the stages of meiosis in column 1 to their characteristics features in column 2 and select the correct option using the codes given below. So in column 1 we have pectine, metaphase 1, dikinesis, zygotine. And in column 2 we have pairing of homologous chromosomes, terminalization of chiasmata, crossing over takes place and chromosomes align at equatorial plate. So as we know, then pectine crossing over takes place. So A will match with option number 3. Then during metaphase 1, chromosomes align at equatorial plate, So again B will match with option number 4. Then diakinesis, terminalization of Chi's matter takes place, so C will match with 2. Then zygotine, pairing of homologous chromosomes. So I think A option is matching, so our correct option will be option number A. Next question. At what stage of the cell cycle are histone proteins synthesized in a eukaryotic cell? During G2 stage of prophase, during S phase, during entire prophase, or during telophase? So our correct option is option number B, that is during S phase. Next question is, how many mitotic divisions are needed for a single cell to make 128 cells? So as we all know that during meiosis, one cell leads to formation of two cell, and this is the first division. Then two cell will form 4 cell, and this is the second division. Then 4 cell will form 8 cell, and this is the third division. Then 8 cell will form 16 cell, and this is the fourth division. Then 16 cell will form 32 cell, and this is the fifth division. Then 32 cells will form 64 cells, and this is the sixth division. And then 64 cell will form 128 cells, and this is the seventh division. So our correct option for this question would be option number C. So our correct option is option number C. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.